Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited Stripchat tokens in 2025 on iOS and Android, guys. So I'm going to show you guys a website. So on this site, guys, we can actually get like codes and stuff, and they actually have Stripchat codes. So this is the website, guys. It's called ogsnags.com. So once you're on the site, you're going to see all this cool stuff. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in Stripchat. Now, before we go any further in the video, I do want to tell you that people apparently from like India were using VPNs. So they have put a big ban on VPNs on this website. So I'm not accessing the website using a VPN, so I'm fine. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type in Stripchat. And as you can see, it says Stripchat free tokens, right, like this. All right, so you just press on it, and as you can see, it says get free tokens with promo codes, and there's actually been 63 people who used it today. That's wild. So I'm going to go ahead and press where it says show coupon code, and it's going to generate the code. So before it generates the code, guys, well, you're going to press get full code right here, and it's going to bring you over here to this page, and it asks you like something about shopping at Amazon. You don't actually have to pick like a specific answer. You can do any of the three. So at this point, it's going to ask us for our email address because obviously they're going to send the Stripchat tokens code to our email. So make sure you put in an email address that you guys have access to, and you should be good to go. Now, after you do that, there's a couple more things that are going to happen. The first one is you'll be promptly brought to a page like this where it asks you to register. So make sure you fill this out. It's very important. I'm not sending anything physical to your house, though. I know it asks for shipping address, but that's totally fine. So after you fill this out, guys, you are going to see a page like this come up probably towards the end. You may do a survey in between, but it's going to say complete one deal to continue. So these deals are like usually like download an app and like play it, for instance, to level 10. Sometimes it could be something else like sign up for a VPN, but they're all free to do, or most of them are. This one costs $1, so just do whichever one is $0. This Monopoly Go one, as you can see, is $0. So if you don't live in the same area as me, you might see a different deal. They match this one for me. So anyway, guys, complete the deal and you will get your free Stripchat tokens. You do the whole process, you guys are going to be good to go.